Hey guys, Carter here at Tier 1 again. Got a cool project in today. It's this 55 Chevy. It's a twin turbo LS. We just got it in here for a quick window net. It's a CJ Race Cars window net kit. I'm gonna get this knocked out in about an hour, and then I'll see him tomorrow at the track day. So I gotta go trim this, and then I'll bolt it back in, tack it all, and then take it back off, and then I'll weld it. And then I gotta do this top tube. Clean your holes, inside and out, don't forget. So I went ahead and drilled a hole down here for this threaded insert, and then I ground off a little bit of paint for this little billet end cap up here. I'm gonna go ahead and tack them in place, and then I'll start working on the upper bar, and then we'll be ready to burn it in and be done. Blow out your hole. We love Troy, even if Troy doesn't love us. So I just finished getting this top bar welded in. I just had to sharpen my tungsten real quick, and now I'm gonna weld these bottom 2 fittings, and then we'll be all wrapped up. Knife, square, Sharpie. Prepped. All right, so I'm just gonna make a window net template real quick. That's gonna finish this up. I got the bottom bar welded in. So I'm just gonna take a couple measurements, cut out some cardboard, do a little bit of drawing on it, and then he can send this out to PRP Seats and have a custom window net made. Call it 26. Here. 6. Straight lines here. You think? Just in case your measurements aren't perfect, I always go ahead and just write them on what you need in case your template's not 100%, even though it should be. I just like to take a height measurement. That way I get an exact length, just in case, which I set 26, which is gonna work out. It's actually like 25 3/4 if it's tight. So 25 3/4. Length should be 17.5. So we're very close. I'm just gonna write it on here. So we got 25.75, and then we got 17.5 is exactly 16.5. Drivers outside 1-inch mesh SFI approved. Throw that in there. I'm gonna go grab the vacuum. Get all this metal shaving out of here. Always clean up your messes. Never leave a customer's car dirty. Even if you found it dirty, you know? I can't tell you how many people's cars I've cleaned after I'm done, and it was probably worse when I started, because I clean as I go. So I just finished up vacuuming and installing this window net kit. I actually really like this window net kit from CJ Race Cars. I'm probably gonna start using it on all of our other cages that come through. Yesterday I installed a race quip one, which I usually install a race quip one, but just with the simplicity of this one, I think I'm just gonna switch over and start using these because they're just so much easier and they're much cleaner. So this thing is all wrapped up. He's gonna come back it out, and we'll probably see him at the track tomorrow.